This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Wednesday, August 1st, 2007. The ADP employment report today said employment in the U.S. private sector grew by 48,000 in July, the weakest growth in nearly 4 years. The ADP report suggests non-farm payrolls may have grown much slower than the 133,000 anticipated by economists ahead of the report this weekend. Several economists lowered their forecasts from non-farm payrolls following the ADP release. The Institute for Supply Management said manufacturing expansion slowed in July from the previous month, as a decline in new orders made factory managers more cautious. The industry group said its index of national factory activity fell to 53.8 last month, its lowest since March, and down from 56 in June. Home sales could see an increase in the coming months, as the latest reading on the state of the battered U.S. real estate market from an industry trade group showed surprising strength. The National Association of Realtors pending home sales index jumped 5% to 102.4 in June. Economists had forecasted the index would slip 0.6% after a revised 3.7% drop in May. Treasury Secretary Henry Paulson said the market impact of the U.S. subprime mortgage fallout is largely contained and that the global economy is as strong as it has been in decades. He said that the recent volatility in global stock and currency markets reflect a repricing of risk and the unwinding of market excesses. Paulson was speaking to reporters before leaving Beijing, where he met with President Hu Jintao to press him to speed up appreciation of the yuan and other economic reforms. Oil prices jumped to a new record after the government reported a steep drop in crude inventory last week as refining utilization surged. In its weekly report, the Energy Department's Energy Information Administration said oil inventories fell by 6.5 million barrels in the week ending July 27th, far more than the 690,000 barrel decline analysts had expected. Light sweet crude for September delivery rose 55 cents to $78.76 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange, a new intraday record. In earnings news, MasterCard said it swung to a profit in the second quarter from a loss last year, thanks to higher card usage and the dollar weakness. The company said profit in the quarter was $195 million or $1.43 a share. Quest Communications International said second quarter earnings more than doubled as a sharply reduced operating expense offset weak sales. Net income rose to $246 million or 13 cents per share. Analysts had expected 15 cents per share, though. Martha Stewart Living Omni Media reported its second quarter losses were much broader than the last year. The media company said it lost $6.74 million or 13 cents per share, compared with $1.17 million or 2 cents per share in the year-ago period. Analysts expected a loss of 9 cents per share on the quarter. Kraft Foods announced its second quarter profit rose 3.7% on a 6.8% increase in sales. The company said its earnings rose to $707 million or 44 cents per share compared to 41 cents a share a year ago. Analysts expect a quarterly profit of 47 cents per share. Scheduled economic reports for Thursday include the initial jobless claims for the week of July 28th and factory orders for June. Earnings reports for Thursday include Nokia, Gateway, Expedia, International Paper, Public Storage, Credit Suisse Group, Newmont Mining, Brinks, Eastman Kodak, New York Stock Exchange Euronext, Viacom, Starwood Hotels, William Companies, and the Worldwide Wrestling Entertainment. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap for August 1st, 2007.